this Mother's Day, we're continuing conversations that go beyond the surface. Because as you know, at the Heartbreak Commune, we believe that heartbreaks aren't just romantic in nature, they come in so many different forms, in unspoken emotions, in the things that we've never got to say, and just not being able to do the things that we've always wanted to do. And sometimes, even in the most fun, easy looking relationships, there's so much beneath that needs to be explored and spoken about. On today's episode, we have Mamta and Snehal. You might know them on Instagram as Gluttony Guru. You might have seen them doing food reviews, finishing each other's sentences, and most importantly, confusing us all about who the mother is and who the daughter is because they look so alike and so young. So now it's time to get real with this beautiful mother-daughter duo, Snehal and Mamta, and dive into the stories, the emotions, and all the candid moments that don't always make it to the camera. Thank you so much, Mamta and Snehal, for being here with us today. As you know, this is a very special podcast episode since we're launching on Mother's Day exclusively, and it's an honor to have you both with us today. How are you feeling? What are your thoughts?
Actually very excited to ask her questions that we've not really, sat down and spoken about.
So I just want to say that thank you for inviting us, and I'm very impressed by the idea, and I'm really happy, to share our bonding, our conversation, and very happy to be here.
So I have known you for 23 years,
Yeah.
but who were you before you became a mom? Like, who were you before you gave birth to me?
I was like a very fun-loving person with less responsibilities. I was very naive, and I used to please people. I was very innocent, I will say, and more of fun-loving, dancing, singing, very good in studies, very obedient child. And then after marriage, I moved to US, and then I came to know about all the responsibilities, सब कुछ खुद से करना पड़ता था. So there I came to know कि इतना सारा responsibilities होता है after getting married, having a child. उसके बाद क्या क्या करना पड़ता है.
So are you the same person now, or?
Yeah, I feel I'm same person with little more responsibilities.
Okay. And what did you want to become ever since you were a child?
I really wanted to hotel management, but that time वो उतना popular नहीं था, and I did not get enough support.
Do you imagine what your life would have been like if you did hotel management versus what
Definitely
it is now?
different, but I don't regret at all. I'm very happy with you.
So the mom I know now, or Mamta, were you always like this, or did life pick you like this?
I would say I was always like this, and now I'm more mature. I don't please people. I just like you. I feel I'm wise now. Otherwise, I feel I'm same person what I was before. I always believe in keeping inner child alive, and I'm
Like the
always
bubbly, fun-loving version of you.
We should
Yeah.
never compromise with that.
And I love that you have always had that as the core trait of your personality, because I got it from you.
So sweet.
Huh?
Yeah, and
So-
I got it from my mom. So she was also full like
I
this.
miss her.
So
So, mummy, did you always dream of becoming a mother?
I would say yeah,
Why did you want to become a mother?
because see, when I decided to have you, that time I lost my sister. So I was in US and I was feeling very lonely. So that time we decided to have a child. So that time I wanted to have you as a friend. I just wanted a one girl, so that I can forget my pain.
Wow. I would say that yes, I think you got a friend and even a best friend, and even I got you as my best friend. Very blessed for that.
Being
One
a
thing which
strict
is
mom.
amazing about you that I wish all parents would implement is that you always gave me the freedom to make my own mistakes and learn from that.
Yeah.
Right? Like whether it came to like friendships, relationships, education, job, it's very rare that I did not feel forced to take up anything just because of you. And I did it because I wanted to, and then my learnings have been very organic. So is there anything about me that annoys you that You've
Yes.
not
Yes,
told
of course, of
what?
course. When you come very late from the party, or when you go out
I
and
don't party that
yeah,
much also.
yeah, and whenever you go and you don't take my calls, that time we really
Oh.
feel like going to police station sometimes, you know, because it is it has happened many times, so that you have to correct.
Many times?
Yeah,
No.
whenever, because you may think like, you know, Indranagar is your second home, or you can just stay there forever, but it's not so. Parents are worried, they do get worried, you know.
So, I want to ask you a couple of things that we've never had the opportunity to talk about, and I feel like I never took the time to ask you about it. But is there a time where you had to give up something really important to you for the sake of motherhood?
Not really, but I will say कि जब तुम छोटी थी and I was like, you know, breastfeeding you, that time I couldn't take care of my health. So people were like calling me fat, and I was really plumpy, and बहुत जल्दी like stamina थक जाता था. I was not like earlier, जैसे कि मैं बहुत ज़्यादा active थी. That time I was feeling little low, I was getting tired. तो फिर मेरे को खुद से ऐसा लग रहा था कि क्यों ऐसा हो रहा है. I'm not like this. I was not liking myself, you know. तो एक दिन I just saw myself in mirror and I said नहीं, I have to like, you know, start taking care of myself. I started doing with the small steps like doing yoga, walking, dancing. मतलब छोटा छोटा चीज करके I just like, you know, I used to finish my dinner early. तो थोड़ा थोड़ा सा like, you know, I changed my habits and it became perfect. उसके बाद तो
So, were you like doing this when I was at school?
when you started going to school, that time I started taking care of myself. उसके पहले मेरा बहुत खराब हालत था.
Okay.
So, yeah.
Yeah, I feel like many people who see us together,
Yeah.
they always compliment that you look young or you take care of yourself. But they don't realize that they really have to put in the effort to take care of their own health before they can take care of anyone else in their family.
I feel इंडिया में ये बहुत कॉमन है कि like, you know, women after marriage, after having kids, they start like, you know, अपना ध्यान रखना बंद कर देती हैं.
Once you took up this journey of motherhood, was there a time where you felt very alone? Like you felt like nobody understands you?
या जब तुम्हारा birth नहीं हुआ था, when I lost my sister, so that time I was feeling very lonely, and that time I decided like पहले शादी के बाद हम लोग का 3 years के बाद plan था. Then I became like, you know, I conceived you in 1 year because I really wanted to have child. That time I was feeling very lonely, and I was going through a like, you know, very very hard time.
You know, right from day one, it's been the bonding of like soulmates or best friends. But then during all this time, have you ever felt alone? Like, I didn't understand you?
No, I always, the best part was like, you know, I badly wanted to have a girl child, and I
Okay.
always saw my sister, like, you know, I always have seen her in you. So that's why I feel like we are soulmates, and I'm always very happy with you. Yeah. तुम्हारे से बात करके मेरे को ऐसा फील होता है कि मिरर के सामने बात कर रहा है. I'm talking to my own shadow. So it's always very good.
I feel like I would say the same. I've never felt alone because you've always been there in my life. And I just feel like even when you don't completely understand what I'm going through, because, you know, I'm a different person with a different life, you still give me the space and the time and like the respect that I need to just go through whatever I'm going through, even though you don't fully understand it.
तो मेरे को तुम्हारे से एक क्वेश्चन पूछना था.
बोलो.
अगर तुम्हारे पास इतना नॉटी बेबी रहती तो तुम क्या करती?
First of all, it takes an immense amount of sacrifice of your own life and your own dreams
But
to
it's
raise
fun.
a child.
It's
That
fun.
till there it's fine. Like I can even imagine doing that for someone that I love so much. But then I look at the state of the world and I just feel like I do not want to bring a child into this world. Also, yeah, you kind of behave like a child, so so it feels like I'm dealing with a child anyways.
Yeah.
Hardest phase in your life?
It was last year.
Okay.
Yeah, when I lost mummy papa in span of like 2 months.
तो हमको पता है कि नानी के साथ बहुत ही ज़्यादा अच्छा रिलेशनशिप था तुम्हारा, बट वॉज देयर एनी जनरेशनल ट्रॉमा that you think was passed on from many generations, which stopped with you and you didn't pass that generational trauma on to me?
या लाइक हम लोग के टाइम पे हम लोग बहुत ज़्यादा सोसाइटी का चिंता करते थे एंड वी ऑलवेज लाइक वरीड मोर वरीड. लेकिन जहाँ तक मेरा और संजय का है, हम लोग हमेशा बोले कि जो भी तुमको ठीक लगे वो करो. यू शुड नेवर केयर. जो भी तुम्हारे को अंदर से सही लगे एंड बी अ गुड पर्सन, डोंट हार्म एनीवन. तो जो भी तुम्हारे को अगर सही लगता है कि इफ़ यू आर डूइंग समथिंग राइट एंड इट इज़ गुड फॉर यू विदाउट हार्मिंग एनीवन, देन यू आर रेडी टू डू इट. यू कैन डू इट, देयर इज़ नथिंग रॉन्ग. बट हम लोग के टाइम पे ये नहीं था. सो वी हैव स्टॉप्ड इट. वी डोंट लाइक रियली वरी अबाउट दिस थिंग. एंड इट्स द एग्जाम्पल लाइक जब तुम पढ़ाई कर रही थी एंड ऑल, सो जितना तुमको पढ़ाई करना रहता था, यू हैव डन इट on your own choice,
Yes. I think parents need to realize that giving your child the freedom to do what they want without the expectations of society brings out the best in them.
Yeah.
Today, if we're on this podcast, we're doing blogging, it's because at some point we ignored people judging us, and
Yes.
you protected me from that. Okay, what do you think is the best and the worst part about motherhood?
Best part about motherhood is I get to see you, new of you every day. मेरे को तुम्हारा एक नया वर्जन every day देखने के लिए मिलता है. And the bonding, the chemistry we have. So it's I never get bored with my job. I'm always
Worst
very
part?
happy. Worst part is sometimes you are not not enough responsible. तुम उतनी punctual नहीं हो. And
Hey, that is the worst part about me. I'm asking worst part about motherhood.
about motherhood, I don't see any worst part. I don't see.
I think I see something. I feel like motherhood sometimes pauses your life, pauses you from pursuing your dreams for a lot of years till the child becomes an adult.
I always wanted to open a cafe or something, मतलब वो ड्रीम थोड़े समय के लिए पॉज हो गया. बट आई वुड से कि अभी जो हमारा लाइफ है, अभी आई नेवर थॉट ऑफ दिस साइड ऑफ आवर लाइफ.
What
वी कैन
side?
डू we have a potential of blogging together. हम लोग इतना मस्ती करेंगे, या वी डू, और हम लोग फूड का रिव्यू करेंगे इंस्टेड ऑफ कुकिंग. वो सब पेन की जगह वी आर एंजॉइंग द डिफरेंट वराइटीज ऑफ फूड. एंड एट द सेम टाइम इट्स एवरी टाइम वी आर गोइंग फॉर अ डेट और समथिंग, सो वी enjoy. I would say motherhood is fun, and it's like an honor. It's being a mother. It's not only a duty or work. It's a fun.
And Mother's Day के occasion पे, what is one thing that you would ask every mother and daughter to do with each other to make their bonding stronger?
I would say कि just don't keep very high expectations and just believe in your child, and respect each other's feeling, and give space to a child. So
I would tell all of the daughters to take some moment, sit down with their mom, talk to them about things that you don't usually talk about, get to know them as a person, not as a mother, and go out and have experiences with them, because that is a memory that you'll have for a lifetime rather than a gift that you would just keep
Yeah.
somewhere, right?
yeah,
Gift them a memory or an experience.
spending time is more important.
Yeah, quality time is the most important thing.
And especially talking to each other is the most important thing,
Yeah.
so that you can talk about everything, discuss everything.
You think we talked enough today?
Yes, I
Yes.
do. Yeah. Yeah.